Hey everybody, it's your girl Ellen, and let me tell you, I've got a treat for you today. We're talking about 14 things that can impress anyone, even if you're not exactly swimming in a pool of money like millions out there. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, you're rich and famous. It's easy for you to impress people. And you're right. I just have to dance my way onto a stage and people lose their minds. But listen, money comes and goes, especially in this economy, am I right? But true charm? That's priceless. If you fit in at least 6 of these, let me tell you, my dear friend, 1,000 rich people want to be you. 3 pats on your back. Congratulations. But hey, even if you only tick off 1 or 2, don't you worry your pretty little head. Every little bit counts. I am trillionaire love. I fit in all these 14 shoes, and that's why I am here. So, are you ready to boost your charm and make a lasting impression? Let's get started. You know, they say money can't buy you class, but you know what can? Good manners. That's right. Something as simple as saying please and thank you can really make you stand out from the crowd. Think about it. When was the last time someone held the door open for you and actually said thank you? Did it make you smile? Did it restore your faith in humanity just a little bit? I bet it did. Because good manners show you care. If you're the type of person who likes to say please and thank you, and you always show courtesy, you'll definitely impress a lot of people. Yes, indeed. And speaking of caring, let's talk about gratitude. When someone cooks you a delicious meal, do you just inhale it like a vacuum cleaner? Or do you take a moment to actually savor it and tell them how much you love it? Because let me tell you, a little appreciation goes a long way. Trust me, folks, showing gratitude is like giving someone a warm hug. And who doesn't love a good hug? It's free, it's easy, and it makes the world a better place. Okay, get ready for this one, because it's a real game changer. Smiling. I know, it sounds almost too simple. But trust me on this one, folks. A genuine smile is like magic. If you love to smile and spread positivity, you'll find that smiling is contagious and makes you more approachable. It can brighten someone's day and leave a positive, lasting impression. Think about the last time you saw a stranger smile at you. Did it make you feel all warm and fuzzy inside? Did it make you want to smile back? I bet it did. Because smiles are contagious. They spread joy and happiness wherever they go. And you know what else? Smiling makes you look more approachable. It's like a big neon sign that says, "Hey, come say hi. I don't bite." People are naturally drawn to positive energy, and a smile is the ultimate expression of positivity. So next time you're out and about, don't forget to flash those pearly whites. You never know whose day you might brighten. Hey everyone, you know how much I love to chat, right? But you know what's even better than talking? Listening. That's right, being a good listener is like a superpower. Seriously, if you can really tune in when someone's talking, put down your phone, make eye contact, and actually hear what they're saying, people will be so impressed. It shows you care, you know? It's like you're giving them a gift, the gift of feeling heard and understood. And trust me, that's priceless. Plus, you never know what amazing stories you might hear if you just take the time to listen. So next time you're with someone, try really listening. You might be surprised at how much they open up and how much you connect. It's magical. Okay, let's talk about love. Not just any love, but that beautiful, supportive, respectful kind of love you have with a partner. You know, the kind that makes everyone else go, "Aw." When you're in a happy, healthy relationship, it shows. You radiate this positive energy, and people can't help but be impressed. It's like you've got this secret sauce for a great life, and it's called love. And the best part? It doesn't cost a dime. Love is free, y'all. Sure, date nights can be pricey, but the foundation of a strong relationship is built on things money can't buy: trust, communication, and lots of laughter. So if you've found that special someone, Cherish them. Nurture your relationship and let your love shine bright. It's one of the most impressive things you can do. All right, parents, this one's for you. You know what's super impressive? Raising polite, kind, and respectful kids. Seriously, it's like an Olympic sport, and you deserve a gold medal. Let's be honest, kids can be a handful. They're like tiny humans learning how to navigate the world, and sometimes that involves testing boundaries and our patience. But when you see those well-mannered kids out there, you know their parents have put in the work. It takes dedication, consistency, and a whole lot of love to raise kids who say please and thank you, who are helpful, and who treat others with kindness. It's a testament to your parenting skills, and it speaks volumes about your values. So to all the parents out there rocking the parenting game, hats off to you. You're raising amazing little humans, and that's something to be incredibly proud of. So, you know how some people are just like Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh, always gloomy? Yeah, don't be that person. Instead, be the sunshine. Be the person who walks into a room and everyone's like, "Oh, thank goodness they're here. Everything's gonna be all right now." Seriously, a positive attitude is like magic. It can turn a frown upside down, make a traffic jam seem a little less awful, and even make Mondays feel, dare I say it, almost bearable. Plus, it's contagious. When you're positive, it rubs off on everyone around you. Think about it. Who would you rather hang out with? Debbie Downer or positive Patty? Exactly. We all need a little more sunshine in our lives, so be the sunshine. I'm serious. Go out there and blind people with your positivity. But in all seriousness, having a positive outlook on life is truly impressive. It shows you're resilient, optimistic, and ready to take on whatever challenges come your way with a smile. And that's something we can all admire. Let's talk about staying cool, calm, and collected, even when the world feels bonkers. You know those people who never seem to get frazzled? They're like swans, gliding gracefully while paddling like crazy underneath. Imagine letting things roll off your back like water off a duck's back. That's the power of not letting things bother you. So next time, take a deep breath, channel your inner Zen master, and remember, it's all going to be okay, and nothing should bother me. All right, let's be honest. Who doesn't love a good laugh? I mean, laughter is like a mini vacation for your brain, and we could all use a little more of that, am I right? If you're lucky enough to be the person who can make people laugh, well, honey, you've got a gift. You have a good sense of humor. You easily connect with others and leave a lasting impression. And let me tell you this, your phone is always ringing because people want to chat with you to uplift their day. Feel special. You deserve it. Think about the funniest people you know. They could be comedians, friends, family members, or even that one barista who always knows how to make you smile with a witty comment. What do they all have in common? They know how to find the humor in everyday situations and share it with the world. Being able to make people laugh is like having a superpower. It can lighten the mood, diffuse tense situations, and make even the most awkward moments a little less painful. Plus, it's a sign of intelligence, wit, and a playful spirit. And who wouldn't want to be around that? So if you've got a good sense of humor, don't be afraid to use it. Share your jokes, tell funny stories, and don't take yourself too seriously. The world needs more laughter, and you might just be the one to deliver it. And remember, laughter is contagious, so spread it around like confetti. You know, we talk a lot about the glamorous things in life, the fancy cars and the expensive shoes. But you know what's truly impressive? Kindness. And the best part? It doesn't cost a dime. It's about holding the door for someone, helping an elderly person with their groceries, or just lending an ear to a friend in need. Those little acts of kindness, they mean the world. It's like that warm, fuzzy feeling you get when you do something nice for someone else, but amplified. It's contagious, too. Kindness inspires kindness. And before you know it, the whole world is a little bit brighter. And that, my friends, is truly priceless. Okay, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart. Food. And more specifically, the magical people who can whip up a delicious meal out of thin air. You know who you are. You don't need a fancy culinary degree or a kitchen stocked with expensive gadgets. All you need is a little bit of love, a dash of creativity, and maybe a sprinkle of secret ingredient. The smell of something delicious baking in the oven, the way a perfectly cooked steak melts in your mouth, the joy of sharing a home-cooked meal with loved ones, or even your neighbors. That's what it's all about. And the best part? You get to see the look on people's faces when they take that first bite. Pure bliss. It's like you've unlocked a secret level of happiness, and trust me, that's impressive. You know what else is impressive? Being a jack of all trades. You don't need $1 million to be talented. Maybe you're a whiz at playing the guitar, a painting prodigy, or you can dance like nobody's watching. These talents, my friends, are gifts. They're what make you unique and special. And the best part? They don't have a price tag. When you share your passions with the world, you inspire others to do the same. You create connections, spark conversations, and maybe even ignite a little bit of envy. Don't hide your light under a bushel, people. Let your inner rock star shine. The world is waiting to be amazed by you. You know what really impresses me? People who can fix anything. Like they see a leaky faucet and they don't even flinch. They've got the wrench, the know-how, and probably a YouTube tutorial memorized just in case. That's power, people. It's like having a superpower, but instead of flying, you can unclog a sink with a smile. And the best part? You don't have to call for help, wait for hours, and then pay someone a small fortune to tighten a screw. You've got this. Seriously, being able to fix things around the house, or even just knowing how things work, is so impressive. It shows you're resourceful, you're a problem solver, and you probably have a really cool toolbox that I'm a little bit jealous of. Don't judge. So the next time something breaks, don't despair. Channel your inner handyman, grab your tools or your phone for that YouTube tutorial, and show that problem who's boss. And if you get it on video, send it my way. I might just have to put you on my show. So you walk into a room and bam, all eyes are on you. You're about to give a speech. Public speaking. It can be scary, right? Trust me, I've been there. But you know what? You don't need a fancy microphone or a stadium full of people. It's about connecting with people, sharing your thoughts and ideas. But if you're comfortable speaking in front of a crowd and can communicate effectively, you'll leave a lasting impression. Public speaking is a powerful skill that doesn't require any money to develop. Okay, let's talk about fitness. Being fit isn't about six-pack abs or running marathons. It's about feeling good in your own skin. Having the energy to dance like nobody's watching. It's about the size of your heart. Taking care of your body shows self-love. Find something you enjoy and make it routine. Remember, it's all about balance. Listen to your body, fuel it well, and love yourself. Well, there you have it, folks. 14 ways to impress anyone without spending a dime. And you know what the best part is? You probably already possess many of these qualities. Because true impressiveness isn't about material things. It's about the things that truly matter. Kindness, compassion, humor, and a whole lot of heart. So get out there and shine your light, because the world needs your awesomeness. And hey, if you ever need a little pick-me-up, just remember what I always say. Be kind to one another. And also, you're already amazing just the way you are. Thanks for watching, and keep on impressing.